Hey guys, welcome back to Tamara's recipe. In today's video I will be showing you how I make salt mackerel rundung in my kitchen. So if you are interested, keep on watching. So for this recipe I will be using fresh coconut milk. So what I did, I cut my coconut in some small pieces and I add it into the blender. Afterwards I am going to blend it and then I return. You could also grate your coconut and then you extract the juice. So for this recipe you have to use a fresh coconut milk. After I am finished blending, I extracted the juice and now I am adding the coconut milk into the pot. I will let it come to a rapid boil and it will boil until it reduces like to half of the coconut. At that point you will start seeing the fat from the coconut releasing. So for mine guys, mine dried out too much. I was multitasking and so I did not even realize that I had it on the stove. I could not get to check it periodically so that it did not dry out. Alright, so don't let that mistake guys. So I will be using half of a sweet pepper. I will be using 1 onion, scotch bonnet pepper, escallion. You can also use a tomato, you can use a thyme, you can use whichever season that you like, but these are the ones that I choose to use. So I am going to proceed and prep my veggies. So if you are enjoying the content, please remember to give me a thumbs up. Also click the subscribe button if you are new and turn on all notification bell so you can join the family, and whenever I upload a brand new video you'll be the first to be notified. So now it's time for me to add my vegetables to the pot. I will saute them for about 3 minutes to bring out all the flavors before I add my salt mackerel. So guys, for this video I did not get to show how I prepared my salt mackerel, but I did it in a previous video, so I will leave the link in the description box below. So if you are interested you can check that video out. So you want to do this step so that all the flavors from the vegetables will be released and they will bring out the flavors together. Alright, so after I'm finished doing that I'm going to be adding my salt mackerel. So guys, pertaining to the scotch bonnet pepper, if you like the heat you can always slice it. I am afraid of the heat guys, and so I will not be slicing mine. So this is how I prepare my Jamaican salt mackerel rundung. So if you prepare yours another way, then no problem. There are different ways in which you can prepare this recipe. In another video, I'll be showing you another way in which it can be done. So after I added my salt mackerel, I'm going to stir it very well so that all the ingredients will be incorporated. But guys, ensure that you check your salt mackerel and do not leave any bones. Alright, I don't want anyone to choke on the bones. So guys, I'm going to add some black pepper. Afterwards, I will be, so mixing it again, and then I am going to let it, cook some more, like probably like 5 more minutes, because I want all the flavors to go together. Remember, I just added the salt mackerel, so that's what I'm doing here. If you add other ingredients to yours, guys, no problem. Remember, it's your kitchen. So this is how I prepare mine. I will not be adding any more ingredients. At this point, my Jamaican salt mackerel is all done, so I will be plating some and let you see the end product. Okay guys, this is the end product. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please remember to give me a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and join me in my next video. See you next time. Bye.